Hello kids, hello kids. Welcome to my YouTube channel AashiEdu, and I am Aashi Singh. I'm Aashi Singh. My name is Aashi, and I'm your teacher. Today I will tell you to teach some German number from 1 to 30. Let's do. Null. Null and first I will write null and U double L null. This is null and this is one. So I will write one. So in German you will take ice. I N S eins. So this is two. In German this is zwei. Zwei Z W E I zwei. Look, zwei. Drei. In German you will say I see drei. Drei. D R E R drei. And four. In four you will tell German in vier. Okay. V-I-E-R. Vier.
Now five.
Fünf. F U L. Yes, in German you will tell fünf. Fünf. F U and here will become dot and here will become fünf. Jacks. As in German you will tell Jacks. Yes. S C E H X. Jacks. Oh, I forgot. Here will become E.
Please write big size.
Big size, okay.
Now.
Okay, Jacks.
Okay.
Actually, Mama, I might write problem.
What?
Problem.
6 means what?
Jacks. S E C H S. Jacks. Gibbon. S.
7 means gibbon.
Yes.
In German.
E B E S. Gibbon.
Now 8.
Now 8. Art.
Okay. In German.
Just like in Hindi. Art. A C H T. Art. Now 9. And E U and EU and 9. Now sin.
10.
Sin.
10 in what? What's it?
Sin.
Sin.
Yes. Z E H and Z. This is Z. So T in German this curve. T मतलब this Z.
Okay. Sin.
Yes. Tan and this only T. This is telling some Z. T listens some Z.
So 10 in German, 10.
Yes, 10 in German, 10. So this is done.
Now 11.
Now 11. Look, elf.
L.
E
Okay.
L F. Elf.
12.
Do you know 11? This is E. You will tell simple E.
Oh.
Because E, this is EVE. Do you know 11? It will become E, so it's here also will become E. So 12.
12.
Jade,
In
Jade,
German,
W,
12.
O,
Okay.
L, 12. Jade.
13. What will be saying?
Die, same.
Okay. Die, 7. Okay.
Die, DRE, or die, same. ZEHN.
Now 14. What will be saying in German?
Oh, look, fear, same. Fear, V,
Yes, same.
I,
Okay.
E, R. Fear, same. Z, E, H, N. Same. Function.
15.
F, U dot command
Okay.
and F. Function. Z, E, H, N. Same. Function.
Now 16 number. What will be saying in German? 16.
16 Jackson.
Jackson.
If it not come some S.
Oh.
Look, I will show you. This is Jax, so this will be not come this X. S E C H S. No, this is not will become.
Okay.
I will tell you this like so Jax same. Z E H N. Also this G dot tell G same. Not this.
Okay.
Gibson.
Okay. 17 in German.
Gibson.
Gibson. Okay.
Gibson. S R E E not come en.
Okay.
Not come en.
Okay.
And sin. Z E H N. Look,
Now 18.
I said
What will be
it.
said in
Accent.
Accent.
Yes, A C H T R Z E H N. Look, accent. Now nonsense.
19.
Nonsense.
Nonsense. Okay.
Yeah. And E U and nonsense. E H N.
Oh my God. 20. What
Swan.
will be 20?
Will we say? Do you know swan? Swan. This swan. Jig.
Swan 6.
Swan. Sig. So swan. Swan looking swan. You bird coming. One swan. So Jed will be telling some as telling in German some this Jed.
Oh, please write.
Jed W A L swan Jed I jig.
Swan 6. Swan 6.
Yes.
Okay.
Now
Next.
here will become
21.
ein und swan 6.
Ein und 20.
Ein E I and not will become S.
Okay.
Okay.
Ein.
Just like some GB. So here will be not come S.
Okay.
Here will become S, but here not.
Okay.
Und U and D. D. Und Swan Jet W A and Swan Z I G.
und 20. 21.
Yes, and Zwei und 20.
22. Okay.
Yes. Look, this is Swan, Z W E I Swan und U and D und 20. Swan is W A and Swan Z I T. Look.
Now, number 23. What will we say in German 23?
Den 3 und 20.
Okay. 3 und 20.
D R E 3 und U and D und 20 Z W A and 20 Z I G.
We write again Z.
Z
Okay. Now 24.
24.
24. What will we say in German 24?
24. Okay. Look me.
Yeah, I will look you.
Okay, this is fear. This is 2 and 4. Then you will write first this
4. Okay.
4 und 20.
Okay. 4 und 20.
E for 4 und U and the und 20. Swan S W A S one Z I G.
Next one 25.
25.
25. What will we say in German?
Only 6.
25. Okay.
25. Look. 5 F U N and F. 5 und U and D und 20.
20.
20. A S 20. S I G.
Next, number 26.
26. Jax. S E C H S. Jax. Und U and D und 20. Swan S W A
Okay.
and 20 Z I G.
Just 26. 26. Okay.
Look,
Next.
only und many as 20, but this little bit dislike.
Now 27.
27.
27.
G-Ben, G S I E G Ben B E N. G-Ben und 20. G-Ben und U and G und 20. Z W A and 20. Z I G. Oh my God. G-Ben so high.
Are you tired?
No.
Next 28.
Okay.
28. What will
Die
you say?
Art und 20. Art A C H. Die Art und U N. Die und 20. Z W A N. Z I G G. 20. Oh, G. This.
Okay. 29. 29. What will be said?
Till till some noon
29.
29 9 und 20.
Ja, 29.
9 and U and 9 und U and die und 20. J W A and 20. Z I 6. Now die big.
30. What will be said?
Die big. Die
Try.
T R E I die big. Beta sign. Beta sign.
Dry sig.
Die big. Die big. I G beta sign here.
Because okay.
And little bit like plus.
Now finish.
Yes.
1 to 30 German numbers.
Yes. Oh my god. I was so tired. If you like my video, so subscribe to my channel and notification bell in my YouTube and subscribe to my channel and press button in my comment box in my video and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.